So we're gonna go do some squishies. So
I got more.
first we're gonna
Give me a
go
minute.
do
These are all the medical records.
this
And
popsicle.
these are really important. One moment, please. Oh no, where did I put it? Where did I put it? Please take a look. I'm begging you. Minister, sir, please take a look.
Okay.
Have a seat, please.
Now next we're gonna go do this
Careful.
duck.
Thank you very much.
It has so many ears. Okay. Now my
I'm here
favorite
because no one will
is
listen to me.
cat, but
No
my
one
favorite
believes
is
me.
this one.
The authorities refuse to talk to me. And I get it. I know that my
This
son's
cat
not
and this
completely
duck are
innocent.
so.
You did the right thing.
Or
Tell me, how can I
the
help you?
next one is this white dumpling.
It's my fool of a son.
Our sales for the third quarter increased by 18% compared to the same period last year, and our operating profit margin
This
was
is
up by
gonna be
20%.
so satisfying, right? But this is
Are you
I
EJ
put
Young's
this one
father?
each one, but
I'm sorry.
Hey, shut up! Answer the fucking question.
Who's speaking?
You don't need to know who I am. Just pay off your son's fucking debt.
now next one is this golden dumpling.
Games? What? Game items or something?
Okay, so how much money do you owe? Is it like 100, maybe 200,000 won?
Answer your mother. How much money do you owe?
It's more like 85 million won.
Okay.
85 million won? Is that what you said?
Next one.
Oh, God.
Let's go open it. Let's start with this. Now I'm gonna go put my ice and choose some
Hey, you.
stuffs.
Your mom and I,
Oh,
we paid
it's
off your
this
debt.
little cute pink dumpling.
We understand everyone makes mistakes, but you can't make this mistake twice.
I'm sure you'll do better from now on.
What's important is that you learn from your mistake.
Cute. Now
And
the
never do
next
it again.
one is this bunny.
That's settled then, so let's enjoy our meal. Don't cry, okay? It's okay, my baby. Don't cry. It's over now.
Yeah. Oh. Now this has so cute red. It has some cute glitters all over it. Squeeze that. The next one is this green needle.
Damn fool! I don't believe it! Damn it, Jay! We just paid off your debt! And now,
The
so you're
next
gambling
one
again?
is this
Jay, you fool! How could you?
Darling, no, don't hit him. Please,
How good?
The next one, oh my favorites. Look at this, so cute. This is like the mini collection.
Just use it for webtoons when you're bored, okay? It's just one
Now the
webtoon.
needles are all
I
done.
am not gonna gamble anymore.
Now we didn't get this chick. Next one is this chick. It's like so sticky. Next one, go with something cute. like this one.
Mister,
Hold on.
when your
The
kid
green
owes money,
hedgehog.
guess who's gotta pay his debt, old man? And if your kid screws up, well, then you have to take a beating.
Now the next one is this octopus. What is this? What's this pink thing? I don't know. It's okay.
Sir,
Okay, cute.
I really need that redundancy money. So you see, I've tried everything. I've done all that I could. I got my son to see a psychiatrist, and they put him on medication to try to control his addiction.
Anything.
I even went to see a shaman. And the police. I called them a long time ago. But they said,
So,
but there was nothing they could do. Even if they
Bye.
blocked the IP of the gambling